diameter.
How long should a salt cell last? Okay,
yeah, cool. Good question. We get asked it a lot. So with salt cells, they usually last 3 to 5 years. Is your general lifespan. Sometimes they get longer, sometimes they go shorter, depending on your application and how well it's been maintained. Here I've got 2 salt cells. We'll get a close-up of it a bit later, but you can see one is super calcified. So obviously that's just going to be restricting flow. Your sensors aren't going to be picking it up and all the rest of it. This one here actually looks nice and clean, which is good from the outside. But what people don't notice is further down in the terminals, so the terminals of this cell here have all blown out, so all corroded. So this isn't able to conduct a current. So people go, oh, my salt cell's nice and clean, but actually in fact that here is, there's no way that this salt cell can produce a current.
No connection.
So when there's no connection, your salt cell will throw a couple of error messages. It might show no flow and low salt, or one or the other, or it might show none because it can't get that. Can't get that cell working. So we commonly have people come to us going, I've got no salt, or I've got no flow and low salt. I've tested the salt's fine. Usually when we look at the salt cell, it's because there's been a connection. They're just completely deteriorated. So 3 to 5 years, as long as you get a like-for-like replacement, they'll slide straight back in, screw it up, terminals on, and away you go.